Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a V8 sound card for karaoke with a speaker. We'll go through the simple steps to get your setup ready for some fun. First, ensure your V8 sound card is powered up. Then, connect your microphone and your speaker. Finally, link your music source, like a phone or computer, to the sound card. It's a straightforward process to enjoy your favorite tunes. Let's dive into the essential connections. Your V8 sound card needs a stable 5-volt direct current power supply, typically via a USB cable. For your music, use a standard 3.5mm audio cable to connect your device. Your microphone goes into its dedicated jack, and for monitoring your performance, plug your headphones into the appropriate port. These connections form the backbone of your karaoke experience. Now, let's master the sound card's controls. The microphone volume knob lets you set your vocal input level, while the music volume knob balances the background track. Feel free to experiment with the various sound effects and reverb options to enhance your voice. Don't forget the dodge button. It automatically lowers the music volume when you speak, ensuring your voice is always heard clearly. Finally, it's time to test your karaoke setup. Start by performing a sound check, speak into the microphone, and play some music. Listen carefully for clear audio output from your speaker. If anything sounds off, adjust the individual volume levels on the sound card for a perfectly balanced mix. Always double-check that all your cables are securely connected if you encounter any unexpected issues. Enjoy your singing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.